And welcome to PMCLounge.com. In this quick video, I'll tell you a secret resource that you can use to find jobs. And I am actually surprised that not a lot of people know about this already. But if you're looking to find jobs in the project management domain, the best website that I would suggest is pmi.org. Of course, you have your famous job portals, job search engines, you can use them, but pmi.org is also a beautiful website that you can use. My favorite website that you can use to search for project management related jobs. Now, once you log into pmi.org, you can scroll down to the area of jobs. So there are featured jobs here, and then there's a job board, the entire job board. Actually, I think there's a link above as well. I am missing out on that. But anyways, you can scroll down and go over to jobs, and this is the direct link, careercenter.pmi.org. Now from here, you can create your profile just like you would do on any of the famous job portals, the job search engines. You can upload your resume, and there are featured employers. And if you see jobs, they are mostly in the domain of project management only. So that is one of the advantage of looking for jobs in on the pmi.org website. So I'd highly recommend that you create your profile here. You can go over to browse all jobs. The jobs are listed from across the world. The location can be anywhere. So whatever that you're looking for, you can target that. Here you can see browse location. You've got Canada, India, ME is the Middle East, Brazil, Egypt, Australia, United Kingdom. All the countries are listed here. You have state, city, everything's listed. You can even target certain companies that if you are looking for any specific company, right? So it is a really good resource. Not a lot of people, I am actually surprised because I've been using this for quite a long time, but recently I've spoken to certain folks and they were not aware of how pmi.org has a job portal as well. So very, very important. And I'd highly suggest that you create your resume. You can go to create a resume. You can enter all your details, and you can always upload your resume copy as well. You can also connect through LinkedIn if I'm not missing. Yep, here it is. You can import your entire LinkedIn profile, and that way you'll be able to import a lot of information from your LinkedIn as well. So this is very, very important, very handy job tool that I would highly recommend. So that was all that I had in this quick video. Just want to let you know that there is another resource available out there in addition to the normal popular job portals that you have. Before we end the video, if you're looking for PMP book recommendations, head over to our official website, pmclounge.com/resources. That's where I have listed my favorite PMP preparation books. And that's all that we had in this video. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and got to know about a new job portal that you never knew before watching this video. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. We are all about project management. We are all about PMP certification. And as always, don't forget to check out our official website, pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.